Hey guys, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. I'm in the Robinson Experience Center. We're talking about the Thermador wall oven, most importantly, the rotisserie mode. A great feature in that oven. So I have a chicken right here, but I have a trussed. So what we did is we took the clamps, put it right in, we tightened it down on each side. Guys, you wanna make sure these little screws are nice and tight on the bar. So pick that up, you guys can check that out. So here they give you a specialty rack and the arm is gonna go right into the oven and run the motor. So look at this, I'll put this right here and it's gonna sit on the rails just like this. So in your oven, it's gonna look like this and rotate around. Let's go to the oven and hook it up. All right guys, we're gonna put it in the oven. We're on rack 5, so we're gonna put our thing on rack 5. The numbers are right here, so you see. And what we wanna do is we wanna make sure that arm lines right up so it locks tight in the back right, all right? So we'll slide this rack out. We'll put our chicken on there. So we'll just put it right in the back and then line this motor up. So we'll turn it and you can put the tray underneath to catch all the drippings, but we'll just turn it so it locks in there. Make sure this is locked in as well, okay? Pop this right in the oven nice and tight. Put your drip pan underneath, okay? So we're gonna go right down to rotisserie, okay? We're gonna select our 300-degree temperature. All right, rock and roll, the rotisserie will run, we'll turn our light on, and now the built-in motor is gonna rotate, heat's gonna come from the top and the bottom, and it's gonna rotisserie our bird, probably in about 45 minutes. All right guys, we've got the rotisserie running, so see how it's spinning? We're using the broiler element and the bake element coming together, and it's browning the bird, and the rotation of it make sure it browns evenly. So it's gonna continuously roll on that spindle. So that's really the rotisserie setting here. We're just using the top and bottom roast settings coming together as the motor spins it, so we get it golden brown crispy. Ready to roll to take it out? Let's open the oven door. Check it out. You can see automatically it stops, and we can just check the doneness, see how the crispy's there, and our pan is filled with the drippings. So we're gonna go and take that one out. We're gonna push the rack right out, grab it with the drip tray, take it along with us all the way out. Make sure we're not making a big mess here. And now we'll just pick this up, okay? Slide it right onto our sheet tray. All right, next take it to the cutting board. Yeah, just unspinning these guys. Take them both off. Do this one as well. You can let it rest a little bit, it's just not that hot. Okay, perfect there. Take that off. Use our mitts for this one. Hold the bird, pull on this guy. This detaches right off. Same thing on the other side. Detaches off. Slide the rod out. This can all soak in your sink or hit it on your dishwasher. Put that away. And we'll let this bird rest for about 10 minutes before we carve it. All right, just took the chicken off the rotisserie skewers. So what we did, we got it nice and browned on the top, so you see how everything's crispy. The broiler element just browned that evenly, and the rotisserie just left it nice and golden brown. So it's still resting right now, it's nice and juicy, but the combination of using that broiler and using that bake element to crisp it up and get it nice and firm is kind of the finish in this cooking method. All right guys, let's carve right into this. So we're just gonna take the leg down, just to lay it high like that, right off, so we see how nice and crispy that is. Fire this in, and then we'll just check our consistency by going through the breast here. See how nice this rotisserie looks. Put this guy down. Beautiful inside. Great tender, even cook from the roast setting. Slide that right off. Nice breast there. really good look. Nice and moist, fully cooked all the way through. The rotisserie keeps spinning, and that's really where we get that great look. All right, guys, here's our finished product here in the rotisserie setting. So again, about 45 minutes using the broiler, using the bake element, having the rotisserie motor rotated, fully cooked. Nice and easy, a great method in the Thermador oven.